Is Photopea not opening in your browser, showing a blank screen, freezing, or loading forever? In this video, I'll show you several quick and reliable ways to fix Photopea not opening without reinstalling anything or changing complicated system settings. These solutions work for common issues caused by outdated browsers, browser extensions, corrupted site data, and hardware acceleration. If this guide helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, make sure you are opening the official Photopea website by entering photopea.com directly into your browser's address bar. If the page still does not load, the first thing to check is your browser version. Older browsers may not include the JavaScript and WebAssembly features that Photopea needs to run properly. As a general rule, browsers that are more than 3 years old can have compatibility problems. Experimental alpha or beta browser versions may also cause issues because they can include unfinished features or changes that are not fully supported. Update your browser to the latest stable version available. In Google Chrome, open the three-dot menu, choose Help, and then select About Google Chrome. In Microsoft Edge, open the three-dot menu, go to Help and Feedback, and choose About Microsoft Edge. In Firefox, open the menu, select Help, and then choose About Firefox. Allow the browser to check for updates, install any available update, and restart the browser. Then open Photopea again and check whether it loads normally. If Photopea still is not opening, try using Incognito or private browsing mode. This is one of the fastest ways to determine whether a browser extension or saved browsing data is causing the problem. On a Mac, press Command Shift and N together to open an incognito window in Chrome. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. If you're using Firefox or another browser, open the menu and choose the private browsing option. Once the private window is open, visit photopea.com. If Photopea opens correctly in incognito or private browsing mode, the website itself is probably working. This usually means that an extension, cookie, cache file, or browser setting in your normal browsing profile is interfering with Photopea. The next step is to disable extensions. Return to your regular browser window and open the extensions or add-ons page. Pay special attention to ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions. Tools such as uBlock Origin, DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials, and similar privacy or content blocking extensions can sometimes prevent web applications from loading essential scripts. Temporarily turn off your extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, and then refresh Photopea. You do not necessarily need to remove the extensions. Disable them one at a time and test Photopea after each change. This helps you identify the specific extension causing the issue. If Photopea starts working after disabling one extension, add photopea.com to that extension's ALU list or trusted websites list. Then refresh the page and check whether the problem is resolved. If extensions are not the cause, clear the site data for Photopea. Corrupted cookies, cached files, or outdated local storage can stop a website from loading correctly, even when your internet connection is working. To clear Photopea's site data, open photopea.com in your browser and click the lock icon or site settings icon next to the website address. Look for an option such as Site Settings, Cookies and Site Data, or Clear Data. Choose the option to clear the stored data for Photopea and confirm the action. The exact wording can vary depending on your browser. After clearing the data, close the Photopea tab completely, open a new tab, and visit photopea.com again. You may need to reload the page and accept certain settings again, but your online files and projects should not be deleted simply by clearing browser site data. If you have important unsaved work, always save or export it before clearing data whenever possible. Another possible cause is hardware acceleration. Photopea relies on your browser and computer graphics system to display and process images efficiently. In some cases, hardware acceleration improves performance. In other cases, an incompatible graphics driver or browser issue can cause a blank screen, freezing, flickering, or failure to open. To test this setting in Chrome or Edge, open the browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. You may see an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it is currently enabled, turn it off and restart the browser. Then open Photopea again. If it is already disabled, try turning it on, restart the browser, and test the website once more. The important step is to restart the browser after changing the setting so the change can take effect. If you are using Firefox, open Settings, search for Performance, and review the recommended performance settings and hardware acceleration option. You can test the setting by changing it, restarting Firefox, and then loading Photopea again. If the issue disappears after changing hardware acceleration, the problem may be related to your graphics driver or browser rendering settings. At this point, you should have tested the most common solutions: updating your browser, opening Photopea in incognito or private browsing mode, disabling extensions, clearing Photopea's site data, and switching hardware acceleration on or off. Try these steps in order, because each one helps identify a different type of problem. If Photopea still will not open, try a different stable browser or another device. For example, if you normally use Chrome, test Photopea in Edge or Firefox. Also check that your internet connection is working and that no antivirus, firewall, school, workplace, or network filter is blocking the website. If Photopea works on another browser or network, the problem is most likely limited to your original browser or network settings, and that's how to fix Photopea not opening. Start with the browser update, test incognito mode, disable extensions, clear the site data, and then check hardware acceleration. These steps solve most loading, blank screen, and freezing problems. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and share it with someone who is having trouble opening Photopea.